Duet makes me smile because, I don't know, there's something about it, some kind of innocence or lightness and just very light feeling that kind of brings me joy. It's nice. Another waltz. Previous Duet was also a waltz. This one is a waltz, so I'm playing this at 115 metronome clicks. And it's in C major, very, very friendly, very nice. You have a kind of combination of legatos combined with separate note, with a staccato. So nice, very simple, and everything is in first position. So great, very friendly for beginners on violin. I'm including the MP3s for these recordings on my Patreon page, as well as the sheet music in a PDF format for everybody. So if you are on Patreon, find me, subscribe to my channel, and maybe even support my channel. That would be awesome. Yeah, that would be great. I hope you guys see you there, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for following me along.